sound.
The sounds like,
Take
right?
it, take it, take it,
Oh,
take it.
Yeah, you're right. So stop.
Squid
Take
fish.
it, take it.
Squid
Yeah,
fish.
yeah. No, he's very
No
good.
problem.
Maybe.
Go. Are you done? Are you done? Okay. Go.
Queen fish tayo, no?
Little bit.
Let's just see because that's a big fish.
Maybe
Kita mo
big
konti.
fish, big.
No, he knows what he's doing. He's waiting for it. Very good.
He's professional.
He is. When it's fighting, let it. Yeah.
My
Maybe
turn.
it will get tired.
It's my turn. Layo.
Layo niya, oh.
What's in the surface, huh?
It's queen fish.
Maybe Chanad.
Hindi ko maka...
Chanad, maybe.
Hindi ko maka...
It's big. Big yung fighting.
Ano mo lang malaki. Ibagsak mo lang malaki para makalaki siya.
It's coming.
Yeah.
Come on, John.
Too far.
Gusto nila
Come
yung
on,
bola,
John!
no? Ba't nilayo niya, no?
Don't lose it.
Let's see.
Everybody, stop and watch.
Yeah. Don't talk. Come on.
It's coming or no?
Another side.
Yeah, he's coming down.
Paano ganyan, pre, pag dinalayo niya?
Ha?
Binawan mo lang kasi hindi, yung
Guys, maybe it's Chanad.
stand siya. Maybe. Ano yun, yung parang
Sa ano, nangingibabaw yung haba kanina.
Ano, queen fish.
Pull up all the lines. Pull up. Take all the lines out.
Okay po.
Even the small one, the other one. Pull it up.
Natin mo pare. Isa mo pare. Sabi ko kanya yan eh. Maybe this queen fish. Not kingfish, queen fish.
Malapit na pre.
Yeah.
Malapit na yan.
wala na yung bite mo dito, pre. Oh. Wala,
Don't lose it, John.
wala na ano. Lose it.
Good fight. Hindi lumalaban pre.
Laban pa rin.
Still.
Still, strong fish.
Ayaw kong mga tamahan, no? Ng ano. Layo kayo. Bagay, sabit na yan. Hindi na makawala.
Malaki to.
Ano kaya yan?
Queen fish yan, malayo yun. Ako eh. Queen
Malayo
fish.
yung ano niya. Malaban no?
Sarap ng ngalay niya, no? Sarap ng ngalay.
Sarap ng puting na.
Sarap ng ngalay niya. Come on, John!
On!
Let's do!
Yalla!
Yalla, habi.
Sana magandang isda. Shit yung isda.
Queen fish yan, queen fish.
Yeah, slowly, John. Come on. Don't lose it.
Ay, hindi.
I-drop mo ng mga...
It's a nice fight.
I-drop mo, yan. Para may buwelo ka pagbira. Yan. Sige, drop.
Ano kasi, hindi siya lumalaban siya.
Move around. Move around the boat.
Malaban pa rin.
Hindi pa pagos.
Don't lose it, John.
Pag mo patatamaan yung line mo.
Leave him. Yeah, he's doing okay.
Hindi palang laban yan, no?
Oo. Grabe.
Very remarkable fight, no?
Nabibin talaga.
See.
See if it's good fish.
Dito ka humawak. Dito ka humawak.
Wait. Move, Adonis. John, you can go around the boat. Move, Adonis, move. Move away from the engine. Move away from the engine.
Akala. Dala yung...
Ano sa kabila?
Pwede may isa pa.
Sa bandang ano ka humawak dito. May ibabaw. Yan. Para may labang ka.
Sira ang dabot.
Yeah.
Sumunod na.
Utang ina, queen.
Sa queen
Oh,
Kingfish.
Queen.
King. Queen or king?
let's see.
Lapis tatay, malaki.
Lapis.
Oh,
Big.
huge.
You will take?
Pun natin.
Oh, we will take tatay. It's big. How come? We will not take. We will take photo.
Take.
Small fish.
Dyan.
Where is the hook?
Ano yun?
Hook better. Kaya mo lang.
John.
Kaya mo lang, pre. Kaya mo lang.
Masarap na yan.
Andito?
Andito, andito. Saan? Dito, dito.
Wala dito.
Diyan.
Dyan sa excuse mo dyan.
Ay, ano mo lang, pre.
Laki niyan.
Kano dyan, yan.
15 kilos.
Hindi ako makaano ito eh.
Yeah.
Nasa sa mata, pre.
Sirin mo.
Ito tayo.
John, hold it.
Diyan.
Hold it, John.
Take picture now, ha?
Oh. Okay, wait.